Hello everyone, welcome to our Decor channel. We are discuss some mixtures, machine ideas. A mixer, depending on type, also called a hand mixer or a stand mixer, a kitchen device that use a gear-driven machine to rotate a set of busters in a bowl containing the food or liquid to be prepared by mixing them. Mixer help automatic the repetitive takes the stirring, whisking or beating when the beaters are replaced by dough hook or mixer may also be used to net a mixture may be handle hold machines known as a egg beater, a handle motorized beater or a drill mixture stand mixture vary in size from small container top models for home use a large capacity machines stand mixer creating a mixing action by the either rotating the mixing device vertically by rotating the mixing containers. The mixer with the rotating part was painted in 1856 by Baltimore, Maryland. This was the followed by printed in England. Another hand turned rotate egg beater was printed by 1985 in US. Their egg beater painted was one of the earliest bought up by the Dover Stamping Company, who Dover Eggs Beater become a classic American brand. If you like my ideas, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.